will only feel the power of it when you sacrifice to achieve it. When Allah says 5 daily salah, it's not going to be easy. It's tough. Are you prepared to endure, to do something? I spoke to a young man yesterday who was telling me that, I want to get married to my girlfriend. And this is what he was saying. He says, but I've been trying for 4 years to talk to the folks and to do this and to do that. I said, you know what, my brother, 4 years is good enough. You can set yourself a deadline for December. And if nothing moves by December, move on. There's a few billion girls. We can try and organize whatever it may be. He says, are you crazy? That's the love of my life. I'm ready to go for almost 10 years. Okay, I don't want to tell you how that ended between me and him. But in my mind, you're prepared to sacrifice day and night, every day, every night, for someone you've had a haram relationship and mashallah, you want to make it halal. 10 years, morning, afternoon, evening, night, late night and early morning the following morning. And you want to make such a big effort, but for Allah, it's not about 10 years. You can't even get up for Salatul Fajr. There's no relationship there. There's nothing happening there. Shouldn't that be your love story? My love of Allah and Allah's love of me. Man ahabba liqa Allah, ahabba Allahu liqa'ahu. When I read that hadith years ago, I swear it's a hair raiser. It means whoever loves and is looking forward to the meeting with Allah, Allah is looking forward to the meeting with them. And Allah loves the meeting with them. You love to meet Allah, guess what? Allah loves to meet you. How do I love to meet Allah? By trying my best to be the best possible version of whom I'm supposed to be. That's all. And you're supposed to be an amazing, beautiful person who fulfills his prayer, who tries their best to dress in the most appropriate manner possible, who speaks in a beautiful way, who gives charity to the poor, who fasts in the month of Ramadan, who goes for Hajj if he or she can do that. And we try our best to increase our acts of worship. And each time we're doing an act of worship, we have hope in the heart that we're going to meet with Allah. Allah says, well, we want to meet with you too. Come, we're going to give you something that you haven't imagined.